already.
Sir, sign Mandal has. Sir, sign Mandal has.
Sir, can I
Okay.
see you the start book?
I will see. Huh? After this class, I will see all the work, and you can show me after this chapter. Huh? After completing this
Okay,
chapter, you
sir.
can show me.
Okay, sir.
So this is today's class that you have to understand the scale and the size of the object. Whenever the object is in front of you, that will be bigger than the object in distance. है ना? So it will be
Yes, sir.
smaller slowly. एक बार में छोटा नहीं होगा. First it will be bigger, second it will be little bit small, third will more small, fourth will more small, है ना? Like this, the last will be like a point, है ना? Like a dot. जब बहुत ज़्यादा trees होंगे, सबसे last में dot जैसा हो जाएगा ना? Now next
Yes.
page. So nothing to do in this chapter. You have to just understand this chapter. Huh? Next point. Next chapter is
2B.
B. Yes.
वो आपने जो दिखा रहा था ना अभी वो हम लोगों को ड्राइंग करना पड़ेगा.
No need to draw anything on that page. That is only a theory part. Huh? You have to understand that. Just पढ़ना है, कुछ नहीं करना ना. To understand that chapter, nothing. Now in this page you have to do. इसमें तुम्हें करना है. You have to color this page. Look. We have read a different theory in page number 8 and page number 9 different theory. Different theory मतलब इसमें अलग theory है ना. इसमें you have to understand 3 grounds are there in every drawing. हर एक ड्राइंग में 3 ग्राउंड्स होता है. हर एक लैंडस्केप में, हर एक सीनरी में 3 ग्राउंड होता है. फर्स्ट इज फोरग्राउंड, मींस जो सामने होता है. सेकंड इज यस
We have to color it, sir.
yes you have to color. I will tell you. Just wait. So foreground is a different ground.
I'm not with book.
You have to color in your book.
How
No problem. Drawing is there. Nothing to draw. Only you have to color. Very easy. So foreground is first, second is middle ground, and third is background. जो सामने होता है that is foreground. In the middle that is middle ground. In the background that is called background. है ना? And what is the difference? Difference बस इतना है, जो फ्रंट में होता है वो ज्यादा बड़ा दिखेगा, ज्यादा डिटेल दिखेगा ना. हम लोग हर कुछ देख सकते हैं. सपोज यू कैन सी वन ट्री इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. उस ट्री का तुम हर लीफ देख सकते हो, हर एक ब्रांच देख सकते हो, हर एक डिटेल देख सकते हो. यू कैन ड्रॉ द सेम डिटेल ऑल्सो. बट जो ट्री दूर होगा उसमें तुम हर एक लीफ नहीं देख सकते ना. यू कांट सी ऑल द लीफ, यू कांट सी ऑल द डिटेल्स ऑफ द ब्रांचेस. सो डिटेल्स ऑल्सो मैटर. जो सामने होगा ज्यादा डिटेल होगा, ज्यादा कलर अच्छा दिखेगा ना. जो दूर होगा वी कांट सी more colors, we can see more details. Like you can see in the background mountains are there. You can't see detail of the mountain, right? Some bushes are there. You can't see each leaves of that jungle in the background. है ना? Background में jungle है छोटा सा ना. You can't see each leaves of the jungle. You can't see all the branches of that jungle because that is in a distance. It is very far away from you. But two human figures are there in front of you. You can see every detail of that. है ना? हर एक डिटेल दिख रहा है. आंख भी दिख रहा है, नाक भी दिख रहा है. You can see the hairs also. You can see the buttons of the shirt also. But यही दो फिगर अगर दूर चला जाएगा, you can't see the buttons of the shirt. You can't see, even you can't see the eyes also clearly. So drawing में भी ऐसे ही करना है. जो चीज नहीं दिख रहा है नहीं.
Sir, we have to draw this in our copy and color it in book.
No. Only you have to color this in your book. No need to draw anything. Drawing is there. Only you have to color.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in the previous page number 8, what you tell I left the meeting, just tell
Okay,
me.
I will tell again. Just look at page number 9. I will tell it again. After the class, I will tell it again. Only theory part is there in page.
Yes, sir, I.
So
Okay, sir.
let me tell you. Page number 8. Only two things you have to keep in mind, that the object which is in front of you, that will look bigger. है ना? जो ऑब्जेक्ट सामने होगा वो बड़ा दिखेगा. And the object is far away from you will look smaller. ठीक है? जो दूर में होगा वो छोटा दिखेगा, जो सामने होगा बड़ा दिखेगा. So the same thing you have to draw in your copy always. है ना? जब भी ड्रॉ करोगे ये सेम चीज you have to keep in your mind, that जो भी सामने है उसे बड़ा दिखाना है, जो दूर में है उसे छोटा दिखाना है. अगर ऐसा नहीं करोगे it will not look like 3D. It will not look like that the object in a distance. समझ में नहीं आएगा ना कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट सामने है, कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट दूर में है. So to understand, to make others understand, you have to make difference in size. साइज में डिफरेंस करना पड़ेगा ना लोगों को समझाने के लिए. ये हॉर्स दूर में है, ये हॉर्स सामने
Okay,
है.
sir.
So keep this in mind when you are drawing. Now next is page number 9. You understand, you have to color this in your book. Foreground, middle ground and background. Sky also, sky also will be there in the background. Mountain,
Sir, in
jungle,
the book, sir,
in book.
sir, in book, we have to color.
In book you have to color. Okay. So no need to draw, only you have to color. So this is your first classwork, and next one, it is very easy. You have to just give lines. Now you have understand what is foreground, what is middle ground, what is background. सबको समझ में आ गया? So in painting number 1, all the lines are there. Yes?
Sir, can I see now?
No, just wait. 2 more pages are there. 2 more pages are there. Very easy.
Sir, okay.
Sir, please tell again. I join now.
Join now.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
look at this picture. Look at this picture. Page number 10. So in page number 10,
Sir, in art book.
in art book, page number 10, open page number 10. So look at the painting number 1. In painting number 1, what you can see, the picture is divided into 3 parts. 3 parts में divide किया गया painting को. Why? Just to show what is foreground, what is middle ground, what is background. In this picture, है ना? इस picture में that can be equal, that can not be equal, है ना? इसमें देखो equal. जितना बड़ा foreground है, उतना बड़ा middle ground भी है, उतना बड़ा background भी है. It can differ, तुम्हारे picture में अलग भी हो सकता है. Background छोटा हो सकता है, foreground बड़ा हो सकता है ना? So no need to give equal, no need to divide in equal size. Just look at the picture, फिर देखना कि वहाँ कितना बड़ा है कितना नहीं है. So I'm just showing you. So in this painting number 2, you have to do the same thing. In painting number 2, look, this will be the foreground, this will be the middle ground, and background is very small. Look, only that small tree and the sky. Only the small tree and the sky is in the background. And middle and foreground is very big.
Sir,
So like this,
sir, we draw line in the middle.
with pencil you have to make lines like this, and you have to write. देखो जैसे
Sir, and also write middle ground and background.
Yes.
And
Look, like you have to write this, give arrow and write like this: foreground, middle ground, foreground. This will be foreground, right? This will be foreground, middle ground, background. Okay, foreground, middle ground, background. Okay, this is second number page you have to do, and third number page. Same thing, same theory is there.
Sir, we have to color this now?
You have to color this, but not full picture. Don't color full picture. Only foreground in the first picture, only middle ground in the second picture, only background in the third picture. Foreground means only you have to color this front tree and the front ground. ठीक है? सिर्फ इतना ही color करना है in the first picture. Nothing else. सिर्फ इतना ही color करना है.
sir, we do our color by own.
You have to color by your own. ठीक है? Book पे color
Sir,
करना.
please tell again.
In the first picture, you have to color the foreground only. Means जो सबसे आगे तुम्हें दिख रहा है, जो सबसे फ्रंट में तुम्हें दिख रहा है, सिर्फ उसे कलर करना है. कौन सा फ्रंट में दिख रहा है?
Sir, एक tree और एक land. थोड़ा सा land.
Yes, only the small land and a big.
Some land, one tree and a bush.
Yes, small little bush is also there. So this one you have to color in the first picture, nothing else. पीछे कलर नहीं करना, सिर्फ इतना ही करना है. In the second picture, you have to color the middle ground. Middle ground means this.
Sir, the two land.
Hello, sir, only this one.
Two land.
Yes, say what? Middle ground.
Sir,
Sir, only this one you have to draw now?
And the one tree also, one small tree also.
yes, sir, they have one small tree.
This part.
Sir, middle ground. There was many land. We have to all land draw.
No, and background is also there, na? Look, one very small trees are there in the background. Very small. You can see.
Sir, I'm showing you.
Very
Sir,
small tree. Look.
sir, there are very small tree and sky.
Sky and the tree. Very small trees and the sky.
Yes, sir, there
That you
are
have to
one
color.
line also. There are one line also.
One line is also there, na? Above that line, all are background.
Yes,
लास्ट में जो लाइन दिख रहा है,
Hello, sir. We have to do all the lands here.
no, look. First picture foreground, second picture middle ground, third picture only sky and small trees, nothing else. Background में सिर्फ छोटा छोटा tree and the sky. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Look, first you do the foreground, second you do the background.
Sir,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, speak. What happened?
Copy, then draw.
No, in book. Just you have to color, nothing to draw. Only you have to color. कुछ draw नहीं करना. Just you have to color to understand what is foreground, what is middle ground, what is background. Foreground
Sir?
means which.
Sir, we
Yes, please.
draw. Sir, we color with pastel colors.
Yes, pastel color. Huh? All of you have to color it with pastel color. And what is the meaning of foreground? Anyone tell me what is foreground? क्या होता है foreground?
Objects.
Now you understand? I told you now what is foreground.
जो सामने रहता है वो उसको foreground कहते हैं.
Good. And middle ground?
जो बीच में रहता है उसको middle ground कहते हैं.
सर, जो बीच में रहता है उसको मिडिल ग्राउंड.
And background?
जो एकदम पीछे रहता है उसको background बोलते हैं.
So now you can understand what is background. So पहले background color करना. All of you have to draw the background first, then foreground. फिर जो बचेगा वो middle ground. Very easy. पहले background color कर लेना total. Only the sky and the small trees. Then foreground. Foreground means only the big tree and the land. And small little bush is there. What?
I have a confusion.
Confusion? Ask me.
9 number page.
Sorry.
Here
Repeat.
we have only background, middle ground, and front
And
ground
foreground.
only.
Yes. Only you have to color foreground, middle ground, and background. In first picture, only foreground you have to color. In second picture, only middle ground you have to color, and everything will be white. And in the background, only background you have to color, and everything will be white. ठीक है? सिर्फ background color करना है, बाकी सब white. Foreground color करना है, बाकी सब white. Middle ground color करना है, बाकी सब white. Okay. Now don't color the full picture and all the three picture, huh? It will be wrong there.
Okay.
So this is your classwork today. 3 pages, huh? 11 number page. You have to color foreground, middle ground, background. Pastel color. Or if you have, look, it is written. You have to do.
No, sir. Orange, yellow.
Sir, this is classwork of
Sir, orange, yellow, green, what? For the land.
No, whatever color is there in the land, you have to color the same color, huh?
one time
Land में कौन सा?
You can tell.
Land.
I can't understand.
Okay, listen. Land में कौन सा कलर होता है? सेम कलर तुम्हें करना है, अलग कलर कुछ नहीं करना है. ट्री में ग्रीन होता है, you have to do green. ब्रांचेस में ब्राउन होता है, you have to do brown. लैंड में क्या होता है? कलर होता है ना. Then
सर क्या करना है?
तो क्या करना है? मैंने दिखाया ना अभी, देखो. Look, in page number 11, first picture. Look at the first picture. First picture is this one. And what is written on the top in the first picture? Foreground.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So foreground. Yes.
sir. Sir, there are one river. The river is middle ground or foreground or middle ground or foreground.
That is middle ground.
Okay, sir.
That can be a river. That can be a land also. ना तुम उसको जमीन भी बना सकते हो ना. You can make it river also. You can make it a land also. है ना, कुछ भी हो सकता है वो, रिवर भी बना सकते हो. इफ यू वांट टू मेक रिवर, यू मेक रिवर. इफ यू वांट टू मेक लैंड,
Sir,
यू
I
मेक लैंड.
make river. Sir, I
हाँ,
make
then
river.
okay, then make it river. It will look good. So first picture only have to color foreground. मतलब जो सबसे पहले दिख रहा है ना, जो सबसे स्टार्टिंग में दिख रहा है, that is called foreground. मतलब first ground. Foreground means first ground. जो पहले दिख रहा है, क्या दिख रहा है पहले? Only
Sir, one and I land in up a boost.
yes, one land, this big tree, and little bit bush, right? So this only this you have to color in the foreground. सिर्फ इतना ही कलर करना है in this picture. Background में कुछ भी नहीं करना है. Now next picture in the middle ground. This is middle ground. So middle ground कौन सा है? Foreground you have to do nothing in this picture, and background.
One small tree.
Sir,
This tree.
sir, river middle ground.
Yes, river. This land. This tree. This much.
Sir,
Right.
and the sky is
Sky will
background.
not come. Sky will not. Sky is in background. Sky will be in the background. Only have to color this.
And sir, background.
Background.
Only
Look very.
tree.
Look in the background. Very small trees are there. Very small trees. Small
Yes, sir.
tree. So that small trees you have to color in the background, and the sky.
Okay, sir.
Huh. Very easy. I will indicate in the book and take picture and send you. Huh? If you have any problem, I will take picture and send you. This one is your home classwork, not homework. This is your classwork, and in this you have to give lines only. Only lines, nothing else. This is very easy. Which we need you only have to give lines for the foreground. This is the. Those who are joined late, see, huh? This is foreground. This is middle ground, and very small background is there. And after that, you have to write. This is foreground, give arrow. This is middle ground, give arrow. This is background, give arrow. Now, after that, this picture you have to color. Nothing else. You have to color the picture in the same way you are drawing in your copy. है ना, जैसे कॉपी पे ड्रॉ करते हो, कलर करते हो, सेम you have to color in book. Same color, हाँ, जैसे you can give a different color by your own, है ना, शर्ट में तुम अपनी मर्जी से कलर दो. Sky you have to do the sky, mountains में, but background should be very light, हाँ, background dark मत करना. मैंने बोला ना, जो पीछे होता है वो बहुत हल्का कलर होगा ना, because very less details we can see. पीछे का डिटेल बहुत कम देख पाते हैं हम लोग, है ना. लुक इन दिस पिक्चर, घोड़ा कितना डिटेल दिख रहा है ना, बट बैकग्राउंड में माउंटेन देखो कितना हल्का है. घोड़ा कितना डार्क है, बैकग्राउंड में माउंटेन कितना हल्का है ना, बिकॉज द माउंटेन इज वेरी फार वे. दैट्स व्हाई द लाइट कलर्स आर वेरी dull, very light colors are there. So this is your classwork. Do it and send me by today. Okay, 4 pages.
Sir. Okay, sir.
8, 9, 10, 11. Wait, just let me take the attendance. Anyone is there who don't understand?
Also,
Yes,
sir,
yes,
8
show me.
number. Now can I show star book?
Yes, show me. Star book, show me now. And 8 number page is there. Nothing is there in 8 number page. Just theory is there.
Okay, sir.
So only 9, 10, 11.
Okay, sir.
Sir, you see my drawing? Sir, you see my drawing?
Yes, Debolina, na?
Sir, I'm Maria. I'm telling that you see my drawing?
Okay, let me first see the Debolina's work. Debolina, show me. Open the book.
Okay, sir.
Open the book, Debolina. Look, all of you have done the star book in a very nice way, ना? सबका काम बहुत अच्छा हुआ है star book में. No one has done a bad work. Everyone has done a good work. Yes, very nice. Good. Perfect. सबका star book बहुत अच्छा हुआ है ना? किसी का भी खराब नहीं हुआ. Star book, everyone has done very good. So you can keep it like a book, or you can decorate in your home. You can hang it in the door or in a window, है ना? तो उसको decorate भी कर सकते हो. You can keep it like a book also. बुक की तरह फोल्ड करके भी रख सकते हो. You can hang it in the window by opening. Okay.
Sir, I
In any
need
way.
one more thing.
Show me. Another diary.
Yes, sir.
You are good. You stitch the diary or what? You paste all the pages, you stitch all the pages.
What, sir?
पेज तुमने स्टिच किया या फिर पेस्ट किया है ग्लू से?
Sir, teach.
स्टिच ना. Oh, that's why it is looking different. हाँ, good. Very nice. The front page is looking very good. Cover page, smiley. Look, yellow diary. Good. Now Arya.
Sir.
Arya, you want to show something now, Arya? Yes, fine, just wait.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am telling that you see my drawing that
No,
I am sending.
I will see after the class. Yeah, those are send me. I will see after the class. Just after the class, I will reply. ना अभी मैं reply करूँगा class के बाद. Okay. Yes, Sayon.
Sir, please send the Radha Krishna drawing.
Sir, I have sent one camel picture. I have drawn. You not reply.
Camel picture. Camel picture. I think I replied. You check. I think I replied.
No, sir.
Camel.
No, sir.
Okay, then I will check it again. I will check it again. Sayon.
Yes, sir.
What?
Sir, Radha Krishna drawing, please send.
Radha Krishna drawing. It is very hard, na. That's why it is. I need time to make the steps. I'm not getting time to make the steps, huh? I need 1 or 2 days more, huh, to make all the steps, and I'll send you.
Sir, I make one diary. Can you see that?
Sir, I also made one drawing.
Debul, abhi ka na? You have sent in art group? Oh, now you are showing, na? Just show me. Okay, a doll house. Doll house.
No, sir. There is a house in window. A girl is sitting and
That's right.
sitting.
Yes. Very cute. Very cute. Very cute. The house is looking very cute, and do one thing, when you are drawing trees, you can make very small leaves. Don't give plain color, just make small leaves. It will make the tree more beautiful. है ना? Tree में छोटे leaves बना देना with dark green
Sir, I
background.
make one diary. Can you say that?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Light green in the background, dark green with the leaves. It will look good. Debolina. What you are saying, Debolina?
Sir, one diary I made it.
It is previous class book, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And listen one thing, don't do any page in your book before the class, of class 5 book. है ना? Class 5 के book में, आर्ट बुक में पहले से कुछ मत करना ना, because it can be wrong. गलत हो जाएगा अगर मैं क्लास वर्क दूंगा, others will do and you don't have any work to do, है ना? पहले से मत करना. In copy you can do anything, but in book of class 5 don't do before the class. Previous class book you can do, like Debolina is doing. You want to practice doing your copy also. And listen, those who don't have anything to show me, they can left the call. I have taken attendance.
Okay, sir.
Sir.
Arya, just wait, Sayan, just wait. Arya. Yes, I have seen this drawing in group. I have not replied, but I have seen this in group. It's very nice. Very beautiful. All the colors are very bright. Drawing is also good.
So
One more same
So this grass
same
is
drawing. Repeat again.
So this grass and this name, this is good.
The grass is also good and the boundary is also good. Boundary. Now you have made the boundary perfect.
It's real. It's
Sir, I need like this one drawing.
Yes, same like Arya, Debolina has also done one landscape. I have seen. Both are looking almost same. Both are looking very beautiful. Colors are also beautiful. Yes, Avika, just wait. I'm coming to your drawing. Huh? Just let's complete Debolina and Arya. Yes, the sky looking very nice, Debolina.
Window and this
Sky,
flower.
Debolina, the sky is very beautiful. And in the bottom, all the bushes and the house is also looking nice. But make border also, huh? Margin. Debolina, huh? Make margin. Everything is correct, nothing is
This is not it, sir.
margin, not black outline, not margin. Margin means the four side you have to give lines na on the copy. That margin.
So this is nice. It's window and it's flower.
Yes, I have seen this drawing also. Yes,
And this
bricks
is
are bricks are correct. Yes, bricks are looking very nice. Bricks, the wall
so
बहुत
only
अच्छा लग रहा है ना.
this and this lamp is not good because this lamp is here. मतलब कि मैं जब YouTube में मैं YouTube पे देख से बनाई हूँ ये जो लैम्प जो दिख रहा है आपको ये यहाँ था मैं मुझे लगा कि यहाँ
हाँ,
है
no problem. You can change the place. You can change the drawing. Drawing change कर सकती हो, कोई problem नहीं. But वो अच्छा लगना चाहिए. You can change any drawing. Suppose I am giving any drawing, you can change that drawing also. But that should look good. है ना? मैंने अगर ट्री बड़ा बनाया तुम ट्री छोटा बना सकते हो. No problem in there. That should look good. This drawing I have seen a very big landscape ना.
तो ये घोड़ा जो है ना वो घोड़ा मुझसे नहीं बना
हाँ, घोड़ा अच्छे से नहीं हुआ. मैं बनवाऊंगा घोड़ा है ना. घोड़ा अच्छे से नहीं हुआ. घोड़ा बहुत लोग वेरी थीन.
सर यू नो दैट मैं ये किससे देख के बनाई हूँ
हाँ, यस टेल मी.
देखिए सर ये जो मेरा कॉपी है ना कॉपी का पीछे से देख के बनाई हूँ
Oh, the same drawing ना.
या
Okay, send me the drawing. I will draw the steps for the horse. You draw the horse again.
ओके सर एंड
Send
सेम
me
नाउ
original drawing. Original drawing. हाँ, send me now.
and
Original
sir this
drawing.
also so you see this drawing
Yes, yes, I have seen this drawing. I have replied this. Check, I replied this in the group. Yes, Avika. Worldly art, na? You know the name of this drawing?
yes sir
Worldly art. So it's very. Show me. You can make the land also black. Make the land also black. It will look good. Everything will be black, but only the sky will be white. Very nice. All the figures are very nice.
so see my it's house and it's
Yes,
boy
Arya.
girl
I can't
and
see the drawing, Arya. It is not
Huh?
clear. It is not clear. I can't see the drawing.
so now clear
No. The picture is not clear. Because of the network, I think.
now clear
One house I can see.
No, sir.
so this
Send me,
house
Arya, send me this picture. Send me this picture. I can't see this picture.
and
Hello, sir.
Yes, Abhipto.
Sir, I tell you ground and the ground is very small.
Abhipto, your sound is not clear. Your sound is... Yes, Deborah, I have seen this. I have seen this drawing. I have seen this drawing. I have seen.
I am not PW or HW.
Classwork, PW. Abhipto, mute your mic. Your voice is not clear.
So can you see
Whatever problem is there, you write in chat box, Abhipto. The voice is not clear. Okay, now listen. Don't learn anything extra. Yes, Sayan, what happened?
Right, you send me the Radha Krishna drawing in 6th May. June.
Maybe in 1 or 2 days I will send you. Okay, Sayan? In 1 or 2 days. Maybe Saturday. Saturday I will send you. Friday or Saturday.
Sir, कल और परसों.
Yes, कल या परसों.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now anyone is there? Any problem with the classwork? Then you can ask me. Otherwise, you can left the call and start your work.
Sir, I am late the meeting because my phone.
Okay, okay. This is recording now.
Background picture.
Yes, Deep.
I have finished the foreground, middle
Bye,
ground,
sir.
and background picture.
Okay, then send
Bye,
me, send me. Huh? Deep, send me in the group. I will check it.
So this one.
bye, sir.
Yes, yes, correct, correct. Look, all of you look Deep's work. Huh? This is the way you have to color in your book also. Deep has done already.
Sir, I'm trying to make this.
Okay, Deep, correct, correct. Deep, all are correct. Very nice. Do other pages also. Huh? Yes, Avika.
Sir,
Sir,
only do
I'm
this.
trying to make this one.
Okay, spaceship, rocket, rocket. Oh, space scene, na space scene. Very nice. You can color the background also, na. Make it blue, dark blue, so that it will look more bright, huh? Make it dark blue, or you can just make it black also. It will good if you make it dark blue, huh? Don't make it black. It
Sir,
will
I
look dirty
sent
otherwise.
Bye, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
bye
I
bye all
sent
of you.
Sir, I
Those who don't
sent
have
you.
anything to. Okay,
Sir,
Avika, I will see, huh? I will
sir,
see
I
Avika.
sent
Huh?
the chat box. I sent.
I'm sent in
Okay, okay,
group.
let me.
You see?
Okay, let me see what Avika has written. Sir, the middle ground and the background are too small, so I do with plastic crayons. Yes, yes, you can use plastic crayons also. Huh?
Okay, sir.
If you have plastic crayons, you can do plastic crayons.
Sir, I am sent in group. Please, you see?
Yes, yes, send me. I will check it. Huh? After the class, I will check.
I'm sent. I'm sent.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
bye. Bye.